So I'm sitting in this little lobby here,
Ah!
but then you can walk over here, and I've got everybody's
And then it's like
design.
this is the snowman.
Yeah. And then we can all just kind of hang out and chat and look at each other's stuff.
Yeah.
It's very, very experimental. Hey, somebody came in.
Okay, can I take it back?
Hey,
Hi.
hey, 3D with us. They're in, Vicky. Can you see them?
Oh, I see them in your screen. Yes, he looks like a little Asimov robot.
How are you doing today?
We are doing well, thank you. Like a new game or something. It does look like new game.
Yeah, this is just the test version. If you walk behind you, you can kind of see. Don't fall off the edge, but you can see you can see the all your designs over there in the 3D printing truck. So go turn around and then walk forward
Okay.
and keep going.
Oh, wow, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, so once Vicky gets in, we'll jump down there together and we'll go explore and we'll go have some fun.
Can we jump?
You can jump, hit the space bar, or just walk off the edge. Whee! Yeah! He's walking around under the prison. Oh, he's picking up the car. Look. I put some code on. I put some code on it so you can grab them and like throw them across the room. All right, I'm going down. Holler if you have any questions. We'll talk to them. What do you think, 3D with us?
That's great. That's great.
What's up,
You
Natalie?
can just walk around. Yeah, it's very neat. Yeah. Wow. It's like a proper museum, with all the.
Exactly. Yeah, it's really fun, especially in VR. But the cool thing is you don't have to have the VR. But the fun thing is just grabbing some of these and throwing them. Uh-oh, I threw that one a little too far.
Yeah, I know. We just put our turkey on the side there. So didn't know how to fix it back.
I love their turkey. It's so adorable.
Are you ready for the Thanksgiving now?
Yes, we're in Alabama with my girlfriend's family. Do y'all celebrate it over there?
Not in the UK, no. We get ready for Christmas.
I like your robot avatar.
How can we see it? We don't see it.
How
can we see ourselves?
Yeah, hit escape on your keyboard, and then you can change your avatar to whatever you want to look like. I'm gonna be an alien. Nice. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Definitely. So in future, I'm gonna teach people how to make their own avatars, and then how to 3D print them and how to pose them. So that'll be really fun to create your own custom avatars. You know how like back in the 90s, everyone was in chat rooms? Now we're in virtual chat rooms. I feel like this could be a future realm once it gets kind of more and more mainstream. It's still pretty early though.
For you to hear us, do we have to stand close to you or not?
Yeah, I think it is proximity based. That way, if there's a bunch of people in here, it won't be overwhelming. Let's check out your design. I love how you did. This is yours, right? 3D with us?
Yes.
The snowplow or rubbish collector, whatever
Rubbish
you want to
collector,
call it.
yes.
I love
It
the
needs support,
snowplow.
but still.
Yeah, still though, it's a great idea. I love that you took the wheel axle and then took it even further. That's so cool.
The turkey behind you, we dropped it on the side accidentally. How do you put it back?
You got to go grab it and put it back.
Let me try.
It's easier if you have VR controllers because then you can turn it, but with the computer it's kind of limited.
Oh, I see. I still need to learn instructions. Probably there is some trip.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost got it. Try and toss it up in the air. This is like a game.
Yeah. Toss the turkey.
Toss the turkey. Looks really cute. This is your elephant too, right? So
The elephant, of course, is a copy of your design, and yeah,
right,
just
right.
learned a lot of new stuff for myself. Thank you very much, and thank you enough.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for taking the course. I love your turkey too. Is there a certain reason you did a turkey?
Well, because of the Thanksgiving
Yeah, it's
Ah.
Natalia's work actually.
ideas.
So yeah, idea.
Oh, really?
We tried. Did you notice the cowboy hat?
I love the cowboy
Yeah.
hat.
It was actually an accident.
Yeah.
We tried to create like a crown on the top of its head, but it didn't work, and it worked very well as a hat.
That's
Yeah.
And
hilarious.
we called it a cowboy, festive fellow cowboy
America. That's
turkey
right.
now.
That's great.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go get it.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Whee! Look, there's your vase, Vicky.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, I've been seeing some familiar models as you're going
You
through.
can walk through it and look in there. Your avatar is cracking me up. Your avatar is cracking me up. Just this little robot, or this little rabbit talking. Like, because when you talk, its mouth moves. It's pretty cool.
Like,
Yes.
we have no idea. We just clicked first
We can't
available.
see it, unfortunately.
I'm recording, so I'll send you the video recap. But I was thinking of this because I remember when you first started, you were saying, it's kind of scary to get on camera, and I know you guys and Vicky are like YouTubers and stuff, but I think for normal people, this may be a little less scary because you can kind of hide behind your avatar. You don't have to, show your face, show your face as much.
Yes, of course. It could be much more relaxed.
And then that way it's not just, about me talking at y'all. It'll be, everyone kind of just interacting together. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Who's this? This is
So
with funny teeth.
this one is Scart. He made it with his daughter.
Oh.
And then this car here, this car here, this is Scart's. Oh, Scart's here. Oh my gosh. Scart, what's up?
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Hey, dude. Are you in VR or are you in with your computer?
On the computer.
But yeah, take a look around. I'm glad
Yeah,
you
okay.
got in. And then if you have the Oculus later, like in the future, you can kind of maneuver it with your two hands and have a little more control.
Okay. Yeah. Very cool. Ah, my car.
There's your car. I was trying to match your gray, but I couldn't get the dots because I'm still new to Unity.
That's cool.
I just let y'all know, y'all are inside of my dream right now. I dreamed this up, and now it's reality, and I'm kind of freaking out.
Oh, this is cool.
Look at this, Scart. 3D with us, they put a snowplow on the front of his car.
Yeah, I downloaded that one and put it into Simplify 3D to look at very cool ID.
Definitely.
You'll probably need supports here.
Right. Have you 3D
Just
printed
for the scoop on it.
it? Have you tested it yet, Max?
I will tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and I will some.
Cool. Yeah, let me know how it goes. I would love to see that. Scart, you kind of your avatar
Yeah.
kind of looks like you.
I don't know how I look actually. I'm a kind of a
You're like a
or
robot,
something.
yeah. You can hit escape and then look through and see if you find any other ones if you like.
Yeah.
There he goes. What's it gonna be? Oh,
that's much
all
better.
right. A lumberjack fox.
Yeah, this is the same avatar I have on the Oculus. So,
That's adorable. All right, Scart, tell me about this car. You put a lot of detail in here, I can tell.
yeah, I kind of it's like inspired from the do you know the James Bond car?
Oh, yeah.
Turned into a submarine. Yeah, it's the Lotus Spirit S1. I think.
Wow. It looks great. I love the
So
back
I tried
details.
to make. Yeah, I tried to make it as similar as possible.
So
But
did you
it
get
was
it
a
to
bit hard on the sides because I couldn't angle the sides. It had to be flat with the tires.
right?
So yeah.
Well, it came out great. Have you got it to roll?
Yeah. It
Yeah.
worked great. the first print, I didn't find a reference picture with straight on the front.
Right.
So it was a bit hard to judge how wide it should be. So the first print was way too wide compared to the length.
I see.
But this one is a bit closer to the final one.
Man, it's great.
And I was supposed to. Did you see the new Tesla?
Yes.
Like this cyber truck from Tesla.
Yes, the new Tesla. Yes, it looks futuristic somehow.
Yeah.
It's very easy to design.
Yeah.
It should be very easy to design.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody already
I
designed
wanted
it.
to do that one.
You should. I saw someone did one on Thingiverse, but probably not one that can roll. They're talking about the Tesla,
Okay.
the new truck.
Yeah, that would be easy.
Definitely. All right, 3D
Yes,
with us.
so,
Tell us about this snowplow. What was the inspiration? What was the inspiration for this snowplow, Max?
We're not sure if it's snowing now in Nashville. Probably not.
Not yet.
Because
It will.
South a bit.
Do y'all get snow over there?
So this is for you. Oh, sometimes we do actually. Yeah, in London sometimes, and then everything is paralyzed. the whole transport system crashes.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, that's why you do need this snowplow next to you.
Definitely.
You do
I'm
in your
gonna-
garage. It's a must-have item.
It is a must-have. I'll definitely be 3D printing. I love that you just took it another step and added another axle. That's very clever. Oh, Scart, your design is down far over there. Look, see it?
yeah, I threw it away. Is it?
He threw it away.
Do I have to run down and
Yep,
get it?
yep. You gotta go get it. Let's go. Come on, guys.
Is it
Let's take a
possible to?
let's take a field trip.
Okay.
Look how cute they are. It's like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
Yeah.
How was the form next? Did you enjoy it?
Oh yes, it's huge. It's twice as large as 2 years ago.
That's great.
It expanded. It's like it's on 3 floors, 2 halls on 3 floors. So it's
Wow.
like 700 exhibitors plus all the others. You know, like wow.
What was the one thing
It's a lot,
that stood what was one of the exhibits that stood out to you the most?
For me, well, unfortunately, it's not connected with personal desktop 3D printing. It was the Xerox.
Oh,
And
really?
they were showcasing their new prototype liquid metal deposit. So it's like material jetting technology,
Wow.
drop by drop, like tiny drops, but you print a metal, aluminium to begin with. So
Wow, that's cool. I've been waiting for metal.
yeah.
Scart, did you go?
To the form next?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's I'm just a hobby guy in Norway, so it's a bit too far to travel for me.
Oh yeah. Me too.
Have you been, Scott, have you been in Sweden? They got some really nice meetup there.
Yeah, I haven't been to the meetup, but I saw it's like a 6-hour drive from where I live. I saw some of the huge Swedish YouTubers were going there, so would have been fun to go sometime.
That's cool. Scart, are you gonna do YouTube?
I've been thinking of it, but I don't know yet if I have the. If I feel like I have to produce so much more content if I'm going to go on YouTube.
What if you? What if you just did your videos that you already do on Instagram? I mean, they're pretty awesome. Couldn't you just post them there too?
Yeah, I've been thinking about that.
That'd
too,
be the
but,
easiest.
I haven't. Yeah,
Yes, of course.
that'll probably be the start.
Yeah.
And, then it would have been fun to do maybe some videos with like talking a bit more and
Right.
I guess not a lot, but some filament from different people.
Ooh, yeah.
Probably do some reviews and stuff.
Definitely.
So,
All right. Well, speaking of creative, are y'all ready? Scart, are you done? I was gonna say week 4, but you're done, aren't you? Or how many? Did you finish all the courses?
Yeah, but I think I think I'll do the snowman and the speaker one more time. I wasn't totally happy with the first round.
Hey, well,
So
go do it.
I'll do it again.
Yeah. Well, no rush. I mean, in my eyes, you're graduated. You were a designer through and through in my eyes. So congrats.
Woohoo!
Yeah, everybody give it up for Scart. He's graduated. Yeah. Vicky's clapping for you too.
Yeah. Hey, I think I do need to take off.
Okay.
But I'll get this situated for next time.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you, Vicky. Sorry about
Okay.
that. I appreciate
no,
you
don't worry
trying.
about it.
All right. So
Yeah.
good to see you.
Have a great day, everybody.
Later, Vicky. I'll tell him you said bye. Max, how are you ready for week 4?
Yes, I am. Yes, I'm ready. Yeah.
Gonna do some
I
sculpting.
try to be in time.
Yeah, all good. So
Sculpting will be easiest for me because it's my favorite part.
oh yeah, me too. I love sculpting. I think so. I'm excited to see what you create.
Did you see the release notes for the latest Blender?
Yes, I've already downloaded it,
2.81?
and
Yeah.
I've already started doing
Yeah.
little updates or planning my updates.
There was quite a few updates on the sculpting tools, I think.
Yes, and I mean they updated like 20 or 30 things. It's unreal. It's crazy.
Yeah.
That's why I love Blender. I
Very
mean, they're
cool.
like updating it almost every day. They're doing like daily updates, I think. So what are your kind of long-term dreams as far as like in the 3D printing world, Max?
Of course. I think all my effort goes towards website.
Gotcha.
I try to do it as I try to do it like a very helpful platform tool. Actually, I spend a lot of hours to update tables, the 3D printing competition
Oh,
and
cool.
other
Yeah.
giveaways and all this kind of tables. And I think it's already something.
Dude, that's awesome. I would love to. If you do competitions, let me know. I'll jump in. I love doing design challenges. Yeah, and now Scart, he's a designer now, so he can do it. Scart, have you ever what do you
Yeah.
think as far as design? Do you think you'll keep designing, or do you think was that just kind of like a fun practice?
Yeah, definitely. I'll keep doing it. It was like the trigger I think I needed for going into Blender. So now I'm really into it.
That's awesome.
But yeah, it's been very, very cool.
Man.
I have a lot of other tutorials I'd like to do for Blender and lots of ideas for designs now. So
Definitely. Do you think you'll
but
stick?
I'm also
Oh, go ahead, sorry.
right now I have to prioritize. Next year I'm starting to work with in a company that's using Unreal Engine, so
Right.
I'll have to learn that first.
Well, the good thing is that now you know Blender, it'll be really easy for you to adapt into Unreal because, it's going to be kind of a similar vibe.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, cool. I'm going to run up here. Y'all want to
Yes.
follow? You guys will always be invited anytime we have like events in the future. But we're going to make this really cool and hopefully just get a kind of like a swarm of designers around the globe, just badass designers. So that this will be y'all's kind of private room if you ever wanted to jump in. It'll be, only designers. And
But is it like open 24/7 so we can jump in here
I mean,
anytime or?
as of right now, it's not, but I was thinking to do that. I think it would be cool to do that. And I thought it would be cool to have like an end of the month. We do like a gallery with each week from each student, for each 4-week workshop. So this would be November's, but I have a little bit more work to do to make it look a little bit more pleasing in lighting and stuff like that. It's a little
Yeah.
basic right now, but I just was so excited. I just couldn't help it. I was like, I have to invite everybody and try it.
Jason, how long did it take you to put this together?
I've been working on it for weeks, but I mean, like, it's been probably, I don't know the total hours, but I've been learning VR and AR for the past like 2 or 3 years. and just kind of dabbling in it and learning code, because I feel like it's still early, but I feel like this is definitely has a potential future in the next 10, 5 to 10 years.
Yeah.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Did
But
you build this in Unity or?
I actually built it in Blender. The bridges are built in Unity, but you just have you have more control in Blender. But I just was doing this one just to kind of get the scale, because I had never done it before on this level, like making my own from scratch. So this was kind of just
Okay.
to see if the scale would work, or what the update workflow would be. And then I added all the models in Unity. So I just changed all your STLs to OBJs, and then that way Unity can read it. But I feel like this is a lot more fun. I don't know. What do y'all think? Do you think it's too much, or I think it's way cooler than just talking at y'all, but I could be wrong.
No, definitely, definitely it's more fun.
Okay, cool.
Absolutely, and this is the future, 100%.
Okay, cool.
Very cool.
All right, cool. Well, I'll let y'all get back. We've been in here for about an hour. Eventually, we'll have advanced courses and super advanced courses. So they'll be kind of over here behind the turkey. I'm going to 3D print another structure, maybe
Yeah.
like my house.
Oh, so we know where to go now.
Yep. And then over there on the other side, I'm going to do the actual 3D printed house. So that way the advanced students, they'll be able to go into the 3D printed house, and we'll have a gallery in there as well. And it'll just keep growing.
Okay, cool.
And we'll just keep making badass designers all across the globe, and just making friends, and
Yeah.
everybody can meet each other. I think it'll be really fun.
Yeah, it's excellent. I love this.
Thanks, Scott. Well, cool.
Very fun.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and jump out. Man, I appreciate y'all coming in and hanging with me. I know it was a little tricky getting in, but this is just so fun to me, and I love just hanging with y'all and just seeing all y'all's creations.
It was worth it.
Good. That's what I was telling Max on Twitter.
Yeah, it's
I was like,
total
dude,
pleasure.
I was like, I know it's annoying, but please, I was like, I think you'll enjoy it. All right, let's throw some stuff. Let's throw some stuff, guys. Let's throw some stuff, and we can head on out of here. Whee!
Turkey tossing.
Yeah, everything must go. Everything must go. Let's throw it. All right, that's all we want. All right, good job. And then they just reappear. All right.
Good idea, Black Friday.
Yeah, the Black Friday. All right, later, y'all. Kind of tricky to
Okay,
get
bye.
out.
Have a good
Later.
night, everyone.
Later.